This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable disappearing messages on the Signal app using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Signal app. To enable or disable disappearing messages, you want to open up Settings first. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see it says Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Then scroll down a little bit further, right here, Disappearing Messages. It says Set a default disappearing message timer for all new chats you start. I'm going to tap on Disappearing Messages. It says, when enabled, new messages sent and received in new conversations started by you will disappear after they have been seen. If you scroll down a little ways, by default, it's probably turned off, but you could set it to 4 weeks, 1 week, 1 day, 8 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes, 30 seconds, or you could set a custom time. That is how to enable or disable disappearing messages on the Signal app. Thanks for watching.